Ebusham for a high Ghana SMTV GH, message like, comment, subscribe, turn on notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Ebusham for
when you say that I'm not anointed, we have spoken and it has come to pass. We are blessed and it has been established. So it's not for you to determine whether somebody and whatever. That thing was all orchestrated by Kennedy Japan.
Oh,
because
really?
he felt, oh, you are in Ghana. Because he felt that I have said.
You still have an issue with Kennedy? You still have an issue with him?
Before coming, I've been spoken to.
Yes.
To let him be.
Of course.
But
I mean,
what I'm trying to say is that watch
you
this.
you were on his case and he says, look, that is not right.
No, I wasn't in his case. He brought the fight to my door.
Are you ready to reconcile with Kennedy Japan? Are you ready?
Some senior men of God have made that.
I want to call him on this program
so
tonight.
What I'm saying is,
will you speak to him? Yes.
Bola, some senior men of God have called us and we met.
Oh, you met?
And he said sorry to me. And he said that onokro nimi no knowing crami colleague on me and that is it. But you are always hammering somebody's son is fake. Somebody's son is that. So, but you see, it's past.
So you've met him. Are you not ready to reconcile? Like maybe I don't know whether you guys.
I have forgiven him because I have authorities, and when they speak, even if it's against my will, I have to.
So maybe you're also on this case and he was hurt.
No, I have never been. So if you could give me a second,
okay.
See, I'm an authority. I have senior men of God, senior fathers and mothers that speaks with me. And when they said that regardless of whatever, I should let it go, I will let it go. But when I look at my scars, I have forgiven him. But the damage he caused to the church of God, and that is what is going to cost him. If 31st, the prophecy I'll give about Kennedy Japan will shock the whole nation. By the Spirit of God, I've seen it, I've written it down. He had a fine opportunity, but he messed it up. But we'll get there. So, for me, my fathers have spoken to me not to say anything about him.
Are you ready to meet Kennedy Japan tomorrow?
No, I don't need.
No. If we should arrange that, Ken and he's a great man. He's a good man.
Yeah.
Are you ready to meet him?
To you, he's a good man.
He's a good man.
Yeah, I respect that.
Yeah.
But to me, he wasn't good to me.
Yes, but I'm saying that you said if you've forgiven him and you want to forget. As a man of God, are you ready to meet up with him?
You see, that is the mistake we do. I'm a man of God, but I'm a human being. There is human fricativeness in me.
So let it go, Nigel.
No, watch me. The pain is so surgical and conscious that I cannot let it go. I've forgiven him.
Then you are not of God.
No. Watch me. If on that base, you are going to be the Bible. You are going to be the Bible.
No, I'm just pleading as a human being.
Yeah, but what I'm saying is that whether I like him, I don't like him, it doesn't take anything from him. But what I'm saying is that I've been spoken to, so I want to be measured. Because
maybe you should meet him and hear him out. Are you ready to do that?
What if I were to be Kennedy and he, with the plan he has, you see, he has offended some of us. And the damage and the injuries is what we went beyond, and even beyond the nation of Ghana, to make sure that NDC loses. That is MPP, sorry to say, MPP loses. He must personally, yes, one or two people have come on his behalf to say sorry here and there, but it's not enough. Because you see, what Kennedy did to the church, and you see, I saved the body of Christ. Yes, I saved the body of Christ.
You did?
Yes, because with what I knew he was going to do again, that came to my office with video. Nobody in Ghana or the world at large that monitors the Christian front of Ghana would have gone to church again. And all these were not true. He said, I'm a murderer. No police. Me, I've never been invited by police. You put some people around me on TV because I said Muhammad will be president. And I saw it. That we have slept with all the women in the church. Why is our manhood donkey or a horse manhood?
Are you married?
I am.
Do you have girlfriends?
I don't have a girlfriend.
You don't have a girlfriend?
Yes, I don't have a girlfriend.
Some I think a popular musician and somebody came, they were labeling you.
It's normal when you're handsome. When you are handsome, you're educated.
Oh, so you heard that?
Yes, you're educated.
You've never taken a girlfriend before?
I have taken a girlfriend before, but not within the space of me doing ministry at work. But Bola,
you're not married, or you were married?
I wasn't.
Or it just happened?
No, watch me. I went to Legon. I was in Ekwafuho. I know what's up.
Okay, you know what's up.
I hope
yeah,
you're
I know.
I'm wearing Galasu.
Galasu, Angelo Galasu. By the way, he's coming to Ghana on the 7th of December.
I know.
I'll make sure that you meet him.
I hear you, sir.
Yes.
I hope you get what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And
you're a guy.
Yes, and what I'm saying, I'm proud that I went to Legon.
Yeah.
So it's normal for people to say these things. I call it occupational hazards.
Were you a bad boy in Legon?
No, I wasn't. I was a pastor then in Legon. I was in 3
But that's where you had your girlfriends.
No,
in Legon,
yes, in second year.
You're a pastor, but you had
a
second
pastor
year. I know your ex-girlfriend. Yes.
Yeah, Jessica.
Yes.
Yeah. A pastor must date, but a pastor does not date from the moon. A pastor must date before.
It's getting close to the D-Day. How is money playing a role in my campaign?
The money saying so be to vote.
Sika, sure.
I don't know.
Some for three delegate and kasa.
Who are saying? You share delegates, who Fred delegates committee now. But quite be a super TNT.
Yes.
Excuse me, come Japan Kwama from TNT. Now Kofa will be free. If anything, sometimes we'll be travel 100 kilometers.
Na waba constituency capital about
yes, 2-3 hours. Buno is no ababishao. Fa moto abobo ya then. Obi in and out 200 cedis. O de ababishao. Now o say on support to TNT. O be fa ba sakwa fa naba.
Baba unte say o other aspirants ni be eka, and I think I've heard Honorable Kennedy upon say a man for the sikabeba or modi skaba monye ni na montu entia wo.
Afen omudi skabeba.
I say we in the course of the campaign in for the skabeba. Your name has come up say wono sika wutua no. I say e bi tua 100 ne 150 no Brian ba 400 Ghana, 500 Ghana. Utua onte.
Heavy.
Hey.
Mente.
Obi have 40,000 campaigners on the ground. Volunteers and man feedback way.
So no, because Obi akwa utua TNT, which is normal.
But yeah, we take it time monitor what other aspirants are saying in our campaign.
Some people are very desperate. You can hear from their tone of voice. Some people are also doing desperate. So propaganda. You know, our campaign, but the facts are on the ground. See, open secret what everybody is doing or what people are saying. Yishiang Nipano 1,000 our assembly hall, you know. Then who come and say we are buses are fire no.
Edema woman.
What to transport no, so yeah, Diania, what to your car. You know, fresh or munye Diania, what to your car, police security. Brass band out fire and it's animal no teacher can now call baby. So be TTC microphone. I don't do that, and I don't see my other aspirants
also doing that.
No, I don't see that.
Just the transportation there now.
That is what look, Mark, in the last 3 months, 4 months, presidential aspirant be a name so Kobiano or Kwa Utiani buses or Nwankasa farmer and Crawford. Omo awanya bus amo farmer there moto ni sanema no tuetua sanema we. I see everybody do that.
Okay.
But I have not heard or see so be afraid delegates monje 1,000, 20,000, 30,000 mean who be na mean TB. Nipa 209,000. Ahina obetimi ayes ade ya okay. 290,000. No, 209.
And 9,000, yes.
Why now? Yes, I did. Okay, be propaganda politics. We also another machine. Vote no free in sa. Do not cancel when for.
No, but say Nipana. Or can sema ebifis or the and so out of experience. And because you have not been there before, or first time any you may not understand. But Nipaneka about what happened in 2023. And or Kase there was a scheme, a deliberate scheme put in place to rig to the extent or say areas ni bi kra enkofo abeka che ne so omoto no by hon ye kan no nya zero
bodin
ono bo kina Japan asem na making
minim de na asem na wo
na wo kasa ebi ho a or kasa ni bres na wan na wo
in general me say ebia na onipa no but you see elections a competition. Mudan I said it this morning. Asempa wants to get ahead of Joy.
Sure.
Patroja said, it is competition. It's nothing new. Say, go. They will edge you out. Into 2023, no, say, go edge you out. It doesn't mean that 2026, no, it will be the same. No. This time, I see said the Presidential Elections Commission, they've done well. And for now, I believe in them 100%.
The elections committee?
Yes. In fact, many Kennedy Akasa. My name may be on my year. They've shown that they are fair.
So, Oma Bani proxy voting. Omo de, your friend is saying, delegate list now I'm ahead of time.
Yes, and feedback I call here as we sit this evening, Omo Tewa Omo Yehwejuma. And they take decisions, Muni Winfrey. Where we move, they are doing a transparent Obia representative for, and nobody Obia will film meeting no more, or film or yaw.
Okay.
And you know, this election will be free and fair, as I believe now. We are my electoral commission, security, police, sponsor. So that's here. Be anyway, bet me
this election.
No.
I know no scheme to rig it for anybody. How would you even do it?
Exactly. Oh, so what the summer around? Anaju in from a bone, Pumano crab, or summer bina. Eba, and so be an from one in my dinner. I don't think, sir, you know, my near dow. So I say, but room now be bibino. It has narrowed or largely closed, but elections there. Elections here, Sabi, Omuko yi Pope, or Vatican. Obiani Gusu. So that's it.
Yes.
Yeah, tin chain her cray. Yani Gusu, red a black smoke, and now white smoke. Omo what them also know. Omo scheme, omo politics. So, but what I say, I'm not saying that they are regional, but I say that people are join, people are talking. Obiani down. And I don't see that there will be any challenge
with the elections.
And I no.
And what that means, they say results be and you would accept it.
I have beyond that my signed document.
Okay.
I committee say because I trust the Presidential Elections Committee.
No.
Results on the bebano. Mediatum na diobe wini biano. Me support except say me believe say others no be supporting. Yes.
From the audit stream, you know. Because one man found two jano. O main competitor in the race, o biggest competitor in this race,
on the way to Bonidi.
And the memo deal.
Okay.
And from the audit stream, the second Dr. Baumia. In the honor your main
and I'll repeat it and be very short. Yeja Kennedy Japan and the name on one baby mama. Baba wa fefa one na wo ajua safua. Ni emeka no. Say Matia sister ajua so nsema waka. Inti we leave him to ajua safua. Mobi ntu aso.
Yo, Maso, I think quite brief, very straightforward. But listen to those in the ancient Greek history of politics, what be stoicism, part of it is equanimity. Now, watch to test the temperament of leaders. Because no, what you to me the answer to be a leader, and you should be able to keep the secret of the state into a test with temperament. They test your calmness in all situations to make sure you are fit before you can be given, so that even when you are captured, you would not readily rattle or give away the history of the people. Now, looking at what is happening, MPP Nipa, if this is your preferred choice of a candidate to lead your party, even when it comes to national debate or international debate, now will be some question. I mean, you are in a contest with Dr. Bawumia. Would you support him if he wins? If somebody who means well for the party, even if you don't intend to do it, you will say, oh yes, of course, we are one family. If I win, I expect him to come and support me. And so he will do same, or I will. So that is why we say that same people funankasa na nye nkofibia wako school wa me school na nyime guasia. No PhD holder should be bold enough to follow candidate Japan, because it defies what even you sat in the classroom to do. There, I work it a PhD with all the toils in the classroom. You go and pick that bravery to follow a man like this, not because nyedo nyeni power, but you know what will constitute leadership. But because bitterness, they want to destroy the party until they are on a particular agenda. Mediman reason, we the supporters on the ground, we should be resolute. In our lifetime, we will not experience presidency because of this selfish leadership. Until Utah, this is the time your mind must come back home. Let's rally behind Dr. Bawumia. Forget what they feel that they can wait. Mr. Kennedy and the rest, they have what to live on for the next 20 years. They think they can wait. We cannot wait. So that we will not be disappointed.